In order to replace the core in your cabinet lock, take your blue tagged control key, insert it into your existing cabinet lock. Turn the control key 10 degrees clockwise. Remove your existing core. Set the old core aside. Take your new core, insert the control key, turn it 10 degrees clockwise. Insert the new core into the cabinet lock. Turn the control key back to the vertical position. Remove your control key. Using your new operating key, verify function of the lock. Once the job is complete, please return the blue tagged control key using the enclosed shipping label.